What's up viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. So guys, a lot of you were asking me to do a small review on the bicycle which I bought recently, and so today I'll be showing you a small walk around of the cycle, what features it has. To be very honest with you, I don't have that much knowledge about bicycles. A friend of mine suggested to go with this particular brand. I know there are lots of other brands also which are much better. The bike model name is Outdoors 91 Shadowfax and the 29-inch version. So more details on the cycle once we go down. This is the place where I keep all my bike accessories. Few are inside this box. We have two cars here with the Bugatti and Maserati. So this is the mudguard. Let me show you. The quality is horrible. They told me that these are universal mudguards which can be fixed onto any bike, but look at this. It doesn't look nice and it feels very cheap, so we didn't get the mudguards installed. So yeah, we are riding it without the mudguards. Put the number lock. Okay, wait a second. Let me turn on the light first. So what I'm doing is I've put the number lock here and I'm attaching the bike to the motorcycle. So this goes in here and goes to the crash guard. Nobody is going to come here, but still for safety reasons I've put it like that. Let me start the bike. I don't know if it will start. It's been 2-3 weeks. It's been 2 weeks I think now since I started the bike. What? Service due? No. Have service performed by a specialist workshop. Okay, let's cancel that. Let's go into the settings and see. But wait, the appointment is showing 7th of July 2021. And why is it showing service due? I don't know. Brake light faulty. I'm making sure that the metal parts don't touch against each other. So this is a soft gel seat, so it's not going to scratch up anything. Hey. And regarding the service light, I think it shows up 1 month prior to the appointment date. So here we are. Let's do a detailed walk around video. So this is the, like I've told many times, 91 Outdoors 91 Shadowfax. So this brand was previously called Frog Bicycles, and then they changed it to Outdoors 91. I think Frog was a good name. So this is the 29er. That means it's a 29-inch wheel, both the front and the back. I'm not going to go in depth about all the specifications. I'll just put it up on the screen. You can see. So this has the Shimano gear system. There are two different types, I think, Shimano and the micro shift gears. So this cycle has the Shimano gear shifters. The specific model I am not sure, so I'll put that also on the screen. And this bike is a complete alloy 6061, it says right here. And this is the Pro Wheel, what's this called, pedal, Pro Wheel pedals, I think. And the back it says Shimano Acera or Acera. Regarding the accessories, I got this bottle holder. This is a much needed accessory, and bottle holder and this gel seat. So the stock seat is very hard, so we got this gel seat installed. It's just a thing on top of the stock seat, that's all, and they have tied it up here. What else? Reflectors come standard, and you saw the mud guards. They go here and it looks very bad, so this looks badass without the mud guards, but in rainy season we have to install it. There's no other option. And this is my Bobo phone holder. I had it on the BMW F850 GS. I've replaced it with the ultimate add-ons, so this was just lying in the house. So I thought, okay, let's make some use out of it, and I've installed the Bobo phone holder here. We have the front reflector. This is the back reflector. And what else? Oh yeah, the brakes are disc brakes, mechanical disc brakes. So this is the rear and this is the front. And this has an easy lock mechanism. You can just remove this and you can remove the tire very easily. It's not a tubeless tire, so if it gets punctured we'll have to remove the entire thing. And Shadowfax. The reason I got this was I didn't get the 29 inches in Snow Leopard, so that's why I went with this. Not a huge fan of the green color. I loved the Snow Leopard's design, the orange accents. I really liked it, but there was no option, so I just got this instead. But this also looks good. Hello, cycle ready ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, vlog ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಾ, ಗೇಟ್ ಹತ್ರ. Okay guys, my friend is here, so we'll have to continue the vlog later. Guys, my friend Rakshit is here. Look at this mask. He has a different type of mask, and this is an Indian Indian brand. Kurinna. ಏನಿದು electric air purifier mask, smallest air purifier mask. They have a small button here. If you turn this on, I don't know if you can hear the sound. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಏರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಥರನಾ?
ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ಯೂರಿಫೈಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಕೂಲ್ ಏರ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಕೂಲ್ ಏರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಎರಡು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
0 is off, 1 is low speed and 2 is high speed. ಗಾಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and the air which you exhale comes out from this part here. This is a nice mask, and it has a small micro USB charging port here, so you can charge it and use it how many ever times you want. Filter ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ?
ಮೂರು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
You can remove this and change the filter. Air purifier mask, and it's made in India also. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೆಝಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3000 something for a mask. If you guys want, go ahead and order it on Amazon. ಏನೇನೋ ತಗೊಂತೀಯಪ್ಪ. All right, back to the vlog. We were talking about the suspension. So this has 80mm travel suspension from Zoom. Okay, I'll be ending the vlog now. Time to show the face, and here you go. Guys, if you've liked the video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care, bye bye, and do let me know how the new look is from this to this. Take care guys, peace.